Carrington Zane Sklar. We got a 4-hour drive to Florida, and it's about to be a good time.
Holy shit, it's a Ford fucking Ranger!
When you focus on the good things, all things under the sun, you free yourself from negativity and then the good shall come. The choice is yours, well you're ready. The choice is yours, oh, the choice is yours, taking it easy. The choice is yours. Let your love light shine, and it don't cost a penny, it go low down. Give a little love and give a little like the way that it goes. What goes around, say come on, so everyone knows. What you give is what you get, so take a look, cause it shows. Picking up your brother anytime you feel low. Looking up a challenge from us with a buckle. Moving up the best and nothing less than I do. When I was smoking up my slit over and pass, I like it slow. Moving up in the style of and the fashion, I suppose. Over the time and the door is closed. Moving through the light and from the dark now it's exposed. When I'm reaching to the sky, just spread it out and let it grow. Never do a thing because somebody say you know.
different.
Yeah. Remember your camera? Straight up, the real deal. Yeah.
Hey, guess what?
What?
This is Roddy Hendrix, bro.
This song is called Two Lesbians on a Porch, Don't Do the Crack.
Two lesbians, two pussies, and two beautiful asses. Everything was double.
Hey, he lost. My generation is
D generation.
Rodrigo.
Wham! Red Bull coconut. Full tank of gas. Pegasus looking cute. Cool stuff. We're gonna check it out. Gotta stack the bands. It either means you partied hard or you've been riding well. This is pretty much like, this is the coolest thing that could possibly happen, is me ending up at Orlando and this.